Hey everyone, so in Sam's Club we have the liquid IV. You get 15 lemon lime and 15 passion fruit for $28.98. Next to me is $19.98. You get two in here, and it looks like there's a little bit of multicolors. I usually wish like on these water bottles they had like more colors. They only give you like 4 options, you know. $59.98. 13 gallon if you need a step trash can. $15.98. This is a pretty good price. I want to say Costco might be a little more. Maybe, I'm trying to remember. But yeah, you get 5 in here. Kleenex, you know, back to school, teacher stuff, $17.94. Okay, today $2.69. I feel like that one's always here. And then we have this one, $1.88, and then $2.49. Okay, by JLab at $39.98. AirPod Sport. You get 40 hours Bluetooth playtime, sweatproof. And then next to me, oh wow, there's quite a bit in here. Oh, they're all 120. They just come in multiple colors. The kids' 2-piece backpack is $25. Of course, you get the lunch tote and everything with it. They only have like the Disney Princess, Minecraft. Here is a Bluey one. Keep in mind, you can find a lot of Bluey backpacks in Burlington as well. Some might start at $20. And we have the Swiss Gear one. This one is $50. And of course, you know, a pocket for your laptop. Okay, we have Alien double-sided tape. You get 6 rolls in here for $20. You got the alien tape. It's kind of funny. It is resistant weather and reusable. $6.76, and you get a 6 count here. Okay, right now if you're needing pens for back to school, these are gel pens. They're $9.90 each. You get 8 pens and 4 highlighters for $10, which is not bad at all. And the G2, you get 16 for $11.74. Right next to me, Papermate felt pens are $14.54. The Sharpie metal pens, the gel, they're $10. And of course, you want more G2. Assorted inks are $11.74. Dry erase markers are $14.58. And down here is a $20.38. What else is over here? $12.47. This is the pack, you know. This is great for like middle school. You really don't need as much. Again, it depends, I think, because most schools use computers and laptops. This is $10. Same right here. And $11.28, and you get 96. Bic is $8.68. And again, if you're doing any type of bulk shopping for back to school, Sam's Club would probably be more ideal compared to Costco, because they do have more variety, like $15.82. I mean, you could find this in Costco, but they have like the colors blasted. If you just want plain, they have that too. But I want to say Sam's Club does offer a little bit more snackage, like I've said before, compared to Costco. The chips here too, put them in little baggies. Most of the chips are for $48, and if they're on discount, they're about like $3.38. Here's a little mix right here. You get 40 for $16.24. Crackers, wheat thins, Welch's grape jelly, $4.98. You know, I've never seen the grape jelly here in Sam's Club. I don't even think in Costco, but Welch's used to be like a brand I used to have growing up as a kid. And do you guys remember that one brand? It has PB&J mixed with it. I can't think of the name, but it was like cheap. Oh man, I forgot. But it was like a jar of like peanut butter and jelly, and that's already like together. Okay, in the book department, I see quite a few new ones. Ever Summer After, and then Book Lovers, a rom-com. Twisted Lies, he'll do anything to have her, including lie. And then we have Twisted Hate, he hates her almost as much as he wants her. Okay. It's funny. Unsteady. If only I had told her. It says, okay, Finn has always loved Autumn. She's not just a girl next door or his mother's best friend's daughter. She is his everything. But she's not his girlfriend. That's Sylvie. And Finn would never hurt her, so there's no way Autumn can know how he truly feels. Oh, it's like one of those things. Yeah, you know, those are kind of hard. Like when you have a girlfriend or something, but you like her friend or his friend. I don't know how that shit works, honestly. Don't listen to a guy. He's a moron. I don't know, because I've been with him since high school. So I'm like, when my daughter comes with like these questions about like teenage stuff, I'm like, it's kind of hard for me, because I'm like, dude, I've been with your dad since high school. I'm like, I don't know, you know.
See, I went for
so it's hard. Oh my God, shut up. Anyway, we're done talking. So, okay, over here. A girl's jacket is $15, same with the boys. But I do feel like cheating is awful. You should not cheat. I am totally against that, because I've seen the hurt, like, to my friends and, like, you know, my daughter and stuff like that. So, communication is a key. Even though people talk about communication, but a lot of people don't communicate. And I don't know what's going on with the young crowd, 16, 17, up, or whatever. I see so many videos. Look how cute this Bluey is. So many videos of girls who they're so pretty. Everyone is pretty, and then they talk about how terrible guys are to them. Well, I guess, you know. And I'm like, why is everyone such a dickhead?
Or these girls weigh like 60 pounds.
Or
like,
and
my boyfriend said I'm fat and ugly. It's like, okay.
I look at these are cute. They have Hello Kitty and Minnie, but when I see these videos or hear like my daughter's friends talk, I'm like, I feel like your guys' generation is terrible.
Oh, yeah.
And I do blame a lot of it on social media, and it's like quite sad, because everyone's like, oh, like, I don't know, I don't mess with the girl's feelings if you're not gonna commit like after a month or something. You know, all these people who like do the little, I'm gonna flirt with you for like 3 months, but I don't want anything to do. That's like kind of effed up. Okay, $10 here. Social Standard by Sanctuary. These are our skirt. Are these cargo skirts? Okay, they are. They're gonna be $10. So we have green. And I don't see, but those sweaters were cute. Let me go back to them. On this, I think I need to take a thumbnail. I say I got caught up and carried away, but I feel like I have to watch what I say, because sometimes I'll say something and it's not coming out how I want it to come out. Okay, but yes, these are cute. I like the blue one. This is perfect, and save it if you're going to like Disneyland in the future, like in the winter time, because right now it's scorching. This bluey one's cute too, because we got like a muffin on here. I can't believe I know who Muffin is. I've never seen it, but you know. That's Muffin. But that's cute. Really, really cute. Okay, there's some new food out, but there's no prices on them. So we have Korean style barbecue chicken breast with the sauce. This one, no price, sorry, can't tell you. I might have just put this out. Let me try to turn it around for you. And then we have crispy vegetable rolls. Again, there is no price on this one. They're fully cooked, and you get 12. Okay, we have washed sheet set. That's what it says. 2-pack. Let's see here. The 8-piece members mark is $24.98. One says $29, so one might be for. It doesn't say if it's for a queen or what for the price difference, but I see a lot of twin XL though. Again, dorm room, you're gonna need one. Okay, we have Mr. Coffee, Frap Ice and Hot, $49.98. Okay, it looks like the pineapples are $6.98 now. And up here we have the pear haps for $10. Again, Go-Go Squeeze, perfect. They have fruit and veggies for you too. They also have Go-Go Squeeze yogurts. This one has electrolytes in it. So a fruit blend with electrolytes, $12.91, like back to school. Cups are $10.68 and you get 24. So yeah, Costco doesn't have as much. Let's see. A lot of snackage. What is this one over here? $8.98, so 9. We have Wagyu beef. This is $24.98. Oh, so this is animal fat.
It's healthier to cook with anyway.
Beef tallow. I was like, I don't know. I just know my grandma used to have that big Crisco next to her, so. Then cocoa powder here is going to be $7.58. $14.98 here. Let's see. Hello Kiss toothpaste. Kiss fluoride toothpaste that tastes magical and works. $14.98. Today they have Living Proof dry shampoo, $19.98. Wow. Did they run out the Nexus one? Because that was like the best one. I didn't buy it. Well, I was here. I'm like, they have a 2-pack here, but no. But today is a Living Proof. This one, the heat protector and primer, $27.98. And that is all I believe they have for anything like new in beauty department here in Sam's Club. They have like charcoals. Let's see if there's any deal on soap or anything like that. Okay, Dove here is still like $18.48, so there's no discounts right now on like soaps. But normally they will have it. I'm hoping by like maybe the end of the week. But they definitely do have a better deal on like soaps and stuff to buy in bulk compared to Costco, in my opinion. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. This one is $15.48.